Welcome to our design journey. In this video, we explore how a single tiny home layout can be transformed into a myriad of interior design styles. From the vibrant energy of dopamine to the sleek sophistication of modern, the retro charm of mid-century and beyond. Watch as one house transforms into many worlds. Let's begin. Dopamine decor is all about injecting joy and energy through color. In this style, playful hues, think bright pinks, turquoise, sunny yellows, and mint greens, create a mood-boosting environment. Minimal clutter keeps the focus on vibrant accents and bold statement pieces inside the dopamine-style bursts, with playful neon and pastel accents on furniture and decor, creating an uplifting mood in a joyful, uncluttered space. Modern style. Less is more. Clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a neutral palette define the look. Materials like concrete, glass, and metal create a sophisticated yet clutter-free space. Clean lines and a neutral color palette define the modern interior. Understated furnishings and open spaces create an elegant, functional atmosphere. Mid-century style pays homage to the 1950s and 1960s with retro charm. Warm wood siding, tapered lines, and playful color accents create a timeless, cozy ambiance. Inside, mid-century style is defined by teak furniture, clean lines, and iconic vintage decor. The blend of wood tones and retro accents creates a cozy yet stylish environment. Afrocentric modern style blends contemporary design with cultural elements. Warm, earthy tones and subtle African-inspired patterns create a soulful, sophisticated look inside a neutral base accent, with vibrant African prints and artwork. This style merges modern sleekness with rich cultural heritage, creating a balanced space. Boho style exudes a free-spirited, globally inspired vibe. Eclectic patterns, woven textures, and natural elements create a laid-back and inviting exterior. Inside, Boho style embraces layered textures and eclectic decor. Global-inspired textiles and organic materials create a warm, inviting retreat. The industrial style showcases raw materials and utilitarian details. Exposed metal elements and weathered wood create a rugged, edgy aesthetic that's both modern and functional. Inside industrial style features exposed beams, polished concrete or dark hardwood floors, and minimalist furnishings with metal accents blending raw elements with modern simplicity. Minimalist design emphasizes simplicity and clean lines. A neutral palette with white painted wood siding, large glass windows, and minimal landscaping highlights the tiny home architectural form. Inside, minimalist style continues with white walls, pale wood floors, and sparse functional furnishings that celebrate simplicity and space. Scandinavian design is defined by light colors, natural materials, and an emphasis on natural light. The exterior features light grey wood siding, a charcoal grey roof, and expansive windows that invite the outdoors in. Inside, Scandinavian style embraces bright, airy spaces with white walls, light wood floors, and minimal yet cozy furnishings that prioritize functionality and comfort. Coastal style evokes a breezy seaside retreat. Light weathered siding with soft blue accents and casual porch brings coastal charm to the tiny home. Inside the cottage, coastal style is airy and light, featuring soft blue and white hues, natural textures, and gentle decor that evoke a serene seaside retreat. Atomic age style fuses futuristic optimism with retro design, bold primary color accents, striking geometric patterns, and streamlined shapes. Capture the spirit of the space age inside. Atomic age design brings retro futurism to life with vibrant primary colors, sleek furniture, and dynamic patterns that evoke the optimism of the mid-20th century space age. Thanks for joining us on this design journey, where one tiny home layout transformed into 10 distinct design worlds, from the vibrant energy of dopamine to the futuristic vibes of atomic age. If you enjoyed exploring these creative transformations, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite style in the comments. Until next time, keep reimagining your space and turning dreams into reality.